Alright guys, so I'm going to be heading north. I'm already gone the interstate for 45 minutes. I'm going to Denver, Colorado, and I'm picking up a gyrocopter. I'm gonna pick it up in a trailer. I'll give you guys little video clips all the way through. I'll try to keep it all as short as possible. But this is the beginning of my road trip. And any kind of weird ass bullshit I see on the way, I'll try to video for you. And then all the way back. It's 30 hours each way drive time. Fucking 30 hours each way. And I'm getting the gyrocopter for like 500 bucks. And the trailer, it's all aluminum flatbed for like 7. So it's score of the century. So I'm gonna do it. Alright ladies. Peace. Still in Florida. Anybody else remember when diesel used to be cheaper than gas? Oh, it's $1 more a gallon. There it is. Welcome to Georgia. Guys, quick shout out to Allen's Tire. They hooked me up. My man Louie over there patched me up. Got my tire with no screw and no leak anymore. So we're ready to go back on the road. Let you know more later. Peace. So what does it look like going into Atlanta at 4 in the afternoon? Well, it looks like this. Passing through Atlanta. Alright guys. Tennessee. I used to live here. Used to live in Nashville. Might stop in there and just check it out real quick. Here we are in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I think I'm in Kentucky right now. I don't know where all the people went, but it's been black like this for the last half hour. Nobody in the rear view. Nobody in front. There's somebody. Alright guys. Alright guys, we just entered Illinois. Metropolis. Dark as heck out. Give me more updates as they come. Alright folks, St. Louis, Missouri in the background there. I'll give us a little closer shot of that arch. Alright. Coming up on this. Should have a nice view. Downtown St. Louis, Missouri. I mean, pretty awesome view. I mean, other than that, it looks cold here. I'm from South Florida. Everybody that lives here is probably warm. And they're probably running around in t-shirts and sandals right now. Pretty awesome view, though. Alright guys, back to driving. This is what a trucker shower looks like. There's Love's truck shop. There's a truck stop. video. So gonna love this. Alright, we're in Kansas now. I gotta tell you, this is a very, very long trip. I am dying of exhaustion. 30-hour drive is at least 48 hours. You know, and I didn't get a hotel or anything. I just been taking 2-hour naps and going. So we're rolling through the Flint Hills of Kansas. My altimeter is at the 5 mark. When I was in the mountains of Tennessee, it didn't reach that. That's how high up we are. My ears are popped. Wait till we get over this hill. It's all just rolling hills everywhere. Look at this. See all the black, they're burning off the plains, they're burning off all the grass to regrow new grass this year, or whatever it is, wheat, I don't know what they're growing, they're burning off. So all that black hill over there is where they burned it off. When we get closer. Burn it all off. Still burning over there for this year's crop. The field of these guys out there. They're all over there. It's super windy here in Kansas. So they do have that going for them. The wind would drive me nuts personally. Alright guys, I'm still in Kansas. This has been my view forever now. Just fields. Fields and fields and fields. And steady uphill. That's killing my gas mileage. Like, we're almost 1,000 meters above Fort Lauderdale right now. That's like 800 meters or something like that more than the mountains of Tennessee. Alright. But I got like 3 more hours to go till I'm in Denver. Peace. Just past the Colorado line. I am in Colorado. Ugh, God, I sound like crap. I'm in Colorado now. Looks exactly like Kansas right now. But should get less like Kansas, more like Colorado soon. Peace. This guy just dropped in and hooked that banner. I'm showing him or not. But he literally just flew low back here, dropped in, grabbed that banner. Has a cable hook that's just hanging behind him. It's 4:20 and I'm in Denver right now, so there's that kind of thing going on. But this is the airport. There's my truck over there. I am waiting for the guy to come so I can grab my gyrocopter. Bless me. It is super arid, it's super dry, like my skin is, I need lotion. I've never needed lotion in my entire life. I don't know how people live in a place that is so low on water. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this guy. I'll give you a video of the gyro. Something I didn't notice until a little bit ago. I don't know if you guys can see all the way back there. Zoom in. It's faint, but the mountains are right back there. Huge, huge mountains. You can't really see them, I guess, because of the wind. There's a lot of dust in the air. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is what I came for. All the way to Denver, Colorado. It is a gyrocopter, an auto gyro. About the trailer and everything, it's been sitting in a garage for long enough to have pigeons fill the seat with shit. But the engine is not froze up or anything. It turns smoothly. It's got the rotors are in this box, brand new, haven't even been put on it yet. The guy that had it before had wrecked it, and the old ones were messed up. It came with like 2 extra motors. It's got the original Bombardier motor that was on it, and then it's got the I don't know what this one is. This is some kind of airplane motor. It's a 4-cylinder. I don't know exactly what it is, and it's got all its, you know, carburetors and everything in there too. I got the tail wings, everything in there. So we were ready. These guys here hooked me up with tires for the trailer. They're golf cart tires on the trailer, but they're 5-lug, and they had them. They had one, and then the other, this one they just took the old one off the rim and put it on it. But look, it's just here, I'll get on the other side with the sun isn't shining into it. Aluminum trailer I picked up for $700. It's a tilt trailer too, and I got the gyrocopter with all the everything, all the fixings for $500. But I drove 30 hours to get to it. Pretty cool, huh? Another thanks to Dragonfly banners. It's dragon with no O. It's drag and fly banners. They hooked me up to the tools to take the tires off and put them back on. Alright guys, now for the long 30-hour trip back. Yeah, let's do this. Kansas in the morning, people. Pretty, huh? Check out this bridge in St. Louis. Look at that. That is cool. full stop. Alright, better hang up before I get in an accident. Guys, so I've gotten it home and I've been giving it a bath. You know, getting all the bird poop off of it. It's actually really good shape. It looks new. Once I get all the poop off of it, it looks amazing. I mean, all the electronics. It looks really, really good. It came with 2 brand new rotors in it. They go up top there. It's got the new arm that the rotor's attached to as well. There's the tail fins. I still gotta wash them. But in this box is a brand new prop inside there. It goes to that metal guy right there. Fancy, fancy prop. So tomorrow, maybe even today, I'll put the prop on. But that's going to be the end of the video, that long video of me going and getting it. To answer everybody's questions, no, I am not going to fly this. My luck, I'll break it, and I can't be dumping more money into it. I have to buy a house this year, so I'm going to just get it together and sell it for somebody else to break it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace.